and now contact here Winky D. I've never communicated with him, and the last time I did say something, could know he's loyal to the opposition, and he seems to be very close to what's the opposition guy's name? The
Chamisa?
Yeah, Chamisa. Yes, Chamisa. I forget his name most of the time. So
Jenny, I'm gonna leave that hanging.
To be fighting such a blessed man,
Yeah. Powerful man of God.
Yeah, and if he says I've changed my mind, Daudatura in his church, the middle of Babanga Jubuye. What reason do I have? Because look, most importantly, he speaks highly of the president, and he's never one day missed his words about the president. So naturally, so clear throat. And so I said, why can't I just buy him a Rolls Royce and his wife a G-Wagon? So go come marry.
That's called why I'm setting up a Winky D. Doing my business, why I'm setting up a Winky D. It keeps popping up. Why set up a Winky D?
One, and now contact here Winky D. I've never communicated with him, and the last time I did say something, could know he's loyal to the opposition, and he seems to be very close to what's the opposition guy's name? The
Chamisa?
Yeah, Chamisa. Yes, Chamisa. I forget his name most of the time.
Jenny, I'm gonna leave that hanging.
So I try to say, look, this is not about politics. It's about acknowledging you, your followers, and also trying to upgrade you. Really?
That's
what I had. Look, I've said it, hinting, I can't, I can only say so much, and I don't want the embarrassment of writing 6 paragraphs saying, "Oh, Becky, go and collect your jelly." Then Becky wakes up. Then Becky wakes up tomorrow and says, "No, I don't want the, just like the Zayoja, It was because I went to Zayoja some years back, and I met Baba Guti. Baba Guti and did Wicknell. Problem. You're not putting money in the house of the Lord. Whatever you get, put in the house of the Lord. I'll fork a broker. Then wakandina matira navanditi chienda kubindura kune university yatiri kuvaka inonzi Zego. Saka we need donations, we need bills. Saka chienda vakatopiwa secretary general ne vamwe 4 or 5 people delegate. Enda ikoko unoona, donate money to the church. Ukaisa mari kuchurch, upenyu hwako, your life will never be the same again. So you must donate money to the church. Back then I was not as
heavy
as I was now, and I interacted with him so well. He was a wonderful man. I took my picture. So after his demise, I see your widow, and
let me do something.
Let me try and do something. Even the president said the same thing. Koshirikadzi, but I'll see how I can, help. Let me give them 250,000 Land Cruiser. So that was so good. She's a wonderful lady, and I've never met her, but I've met them on the plane Emirates. And
I'm just coming from there,
What did you say about him?
Listen.
What did you say about this?
No, he's not being arrogant. He's he's still being very humble. To the depths.
So it was actually, and I reached out to one of the drivers. Can you check? Because I always try and I don't like the clumsy and the embarrassment. He was to shine and so I asked the driver, do you remember 2 or 3 times waterfalls? She just goes, yes, I remember you. What? Upayo kamari kekucheck kamara account kenyu mwachozeso imwe futichi kuchechi maybe wakakupa 250 yenyu imwe mweso kuchechi saka just try find a way, ask her saka naye ndiye akaninyebera nofunga driver akati ano mama vati vachivayo anytime ngavaite sei ngavawe ndobva ndati draftoka my long status chipresa uchi zayoja baba guti machichi then better politics we're waiting for consultation. The new leader of the church is out of the country, but you know it didn't make much sense to me because ukaenda kumune mchitenderedzwa madisha yamchinzisa $5 munhu ane mari awo yada kupa $500,000 imbomati hai mari hatisi kuida because mwari ati maisi mari mwari wokutaura naye ndeupi yoyo ari kugudza zvinhu zvakadaro. So but yeah, so that's the embarrassment I try and avoid, but I'm trying to answer nyaya yaWinky D. But if Winky D came out and said mkoma
bangu haufa
you would
mangwana chai kampana kari boga aiwa
panda
plus ane support yake vanhu vake ndo like na Japre afana ndingazomisa balevu ya Japre but music yake ndo ma celebrity eduka kuna America ndo vanofamba nema Lamborghini nema they are the guy.
That's the thing.
That's not Winka shika ari Japanese Zimbabwean not kana Winka chichiko ari brand new chi kana X5 kana brand new chichi yakadai kachiradzotaiwa no is I know the music but dare mashuba mwanopuwa 3,000 or 4,000 mara chaimbofa yakakwana kuti apinde mu dealership antenga mota. So status ungokwidzawo status saka but if he came out and said say ndangu anda problem naye and was zvuti anosupporta anenge nachi anga support wanoda so watiri kuzwa nemwe mutsvene ari kunzi acharamba achitonga isitiri kumsiya nemwe mutsvene uri kungoti
Banda and Winky D, you heard it on the Danny J show. It's on you.
So I even wanted to say no. If I had his number, say kumbira permission and I'm not sure.
Let me get something.
Ndibvumidzo ndipuwe motikara zvisi zvepolitics every day.
Yeah,
I think you saw me buying opposition people. Pane mwanga asumuka wachitaura debate yake mukadzi manamuta chamwari nonopuwa chimototoro mari. It's not so much about politics. Yes, ndine muzano.
Yeah, I think there's some restoration of dignity of life that just needs to happen, especially with the arts. Vamwe I don't know, but who arts
and even kushow kwa kunonzwi kumchato wa Japresha. I said Mkanya must come. It's because of the stories that we heard. No, Mkanya is struggling. Zvakasodai Mkanya vari kutambudzika. But Mkanya music yavo mari dzirandoita. Unosvika kublawayo Mkanya, how can Mkanya be struggling? They ever give him $1 million to retirement. Akazotadza kuti wamusoro nayo zvake. But in energy, my heart, with the way I love his music, the way I feel like, you know, Mkanya, you know, if you come to my house in Cape Town, my house in Sandhurst in Joburg, ask Nash, he's been there. Studio, cinema manage Nash. My picture Mkanya. Vamwanda wisa na Rick Ross aendesa Mkanya, pana Mkanya, pana mtukudzi. Akadzokorodzwa ka 3 apa, pana Mkanya. Achiri mudiki Mkanya, pana mtukudzi. So, to my celebrity and I love them with that, you know. Nice. So
all right, let's also talk about, I'd forgotten. Let's talk about the Oliver Mtukudzi.